Are you looking for a silverware set that's not only useful but also serves as a beautiful statement piece? Then this silverware set from Remoxye is exactly what you need. I'm Sarah with WTI and I absolutely adore this silverware set. It's 40 pieces of very shiny stainless steel and the flower details just makes it absolutely stunning. I personally love that they are lightweight and extremely durable. I've had this set for about a month. They have been used constantly in my family of 4 and have been thrown into the dishwasher more times than I can count, and they still look as shiny as the first day I took them out of the box. The company offers 2 different styles. You can get them in black or silver. Both are beautiful and would be great for a fancy gathering such as a wedding or a formal dinner party. I'm extremely impressed with this silverware set. I love that they're lightweight, which is perfect for children or seniors. They're absolutely gorgeous and budget friendly. So if you're looking for a silverware set to wow all of your guests, then you're going to love this silverware set as much as I do. And that's my point of view.